Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to exit the full screen on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client. And as you open the game, it takes a while to load. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is look at the right top corner for that setting option. So just click on there at first. And as you click it, you can see the option right here, window size. So just select this and select this 1280 into 720. And as you do that, you can see you have exited the full screen on your League of Legends. So guys, that's how you exit the full screen on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.